Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, replacing rear glass. Let's get started. Applying heat to remove the antenna from the old back glass. This is our new back glass. Removing back flashlight glass. Installing equipment to the new back glass. Cleaning the phone for better attachment. Applying paste to phone backside. Attach the new back glass. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the Samsung S21 Ultra back glass. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.